Hello and welcome. In this step-by-step guide, you're going to learn how to change the look or theme of WhatsApp on your iPhone. Now, it's important to know that WhatsApp on iPhone doesn't allow full theme customization like on Android. But you can still personalize WhatsApp to make it more comfortable for your eyes or suited to your taste. Primarily through dark mode, chat wallpaper, customization, and system appearance settings. Let's explore all your options in a detailed and easy-to-follow way. Start by opening the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Make sure you're using the most updated version. You can check this by visiting the App Store and seeing if an update is available. Once WhatsApp is opened, select the chat you want to change the theme. Once in the chat room, click on the contact's name above the screen. In this menu, you will see chat theme options. Tap on it. In this menu, you can directly choose the theme that has been provided. You can change the color of the chat bubble and also the background or wallpaper of the chat. There are lots of color and image options that you can choose from. You can choose the color of the bubble chat green, pink, purple, blue, and so on. Then you can also determine whether to use a light or dark theme. If you want to change to a dark theme, click the moon icon below. And you can also adjust the brightness level. If you have determined the preferred chat bubble color, as well as the chat background, click Set to apply. Then click Set Wallpaper, and your WhatsApp theme has been successfully changed. You can change it whenever you want. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.